Hello and welcome to this video on Santos Pro and Lite. Today we'll be going over navigating parts of the interface, as well as how to best utilize some of the tools you may find yourself using frequently. Let's go over the camera controls, particularly how to focus the camera on a point of interest. To focus the camera to where your cursor is, while holding down the spacebar, double-click to where you want to focus. This repositions the camera so that it is centered on wherever the cursor is. It moves the camera's pivot point to the pick point, and it uses the distance between the camera and the pick point to adjust the sensitivity of the camera's movement. This automatically makes the amount of camera movement more relevant to where it is needed as the camera moves closer or further away from the picked point. Here we're just placing some end effectors. In this situation, end effectors are helpful in defining tasks where the avatar is standing or sitting. We'll need these end effectors on the avatar in upcoming sections. We won't go too in-depth with this process, but if you wish to learn more, please find the masterclass video on end effectors and marker targets, which can be found on the SantosHuman YouTube channel. It's good practice to name and organize your project assets. A feature within Santos is that we can provide a name to an asset, in this case EE foot right 1, and by copying and pasting that name to another asset, Santos will automatically adjust the number in the name to help you keep track. One thing to note is that automated numbering only works when the number is the last item in the object name. Next, we're constraining the feet using bounded plane marker targets. Again, this is not a section we'll dive deep into, but if you wish to learn more, please find the masterclass video on end effectors and marker targets on the SantosHuman YouTube channel. When we're done with the right foot, we'll repeat the same process of naming, organizing, and defining the bounded plane for the left foot. While there are a variety of ways to define what the hand is doing, including predicting grasps, we're simply going to use one of the predefined grasps. You can apply a grasp to an avatar simply by dragging and dropping the icon from the library onto the desired hand. To learn more about Santos grasp prediction, please refer to the use case lightning round on predicting precision grasps. The Santos predictive models include the ability to constrain global position, which will allow the models to predict it. This is found within the Posture tab in the Context window. By default, it is constrained, meaning that the models are not allowed to move an avatar's global position when calculating a solution to a defined task. In this segment, it's turned off to make the predicted standing position look more natural. Exporting and saving a set of end effectors on an avatar is as easy as right-clicking on that avatar, selecting Export End Effectors, and giving it a name. To demonstrate how a set of saved end effectors can be reused, we have added a second avatar to the scene. Then to import the end effectors, we can simply right-click on another avatar and select Import End Effectors. Note that when the end effectors are imported, they appear at similar locations relative to the original avatar. However, some minor adjustments may sometimes be required. When using posture prediction, the hands may be free to move. In order to mitigate this, we can constrain the hand orientation. This can be found in the Posture tab of the Context window and so the right hand will be locked to the hand orientation. Advanced IK is used to demonstrate how the arms can be moved, but we can see that the avatar's hand orientation will remain the same. Next, the left hand is constrained, and we can see how the right and left hands are moved in tandem with each other. Now we can see that hand orientation constraint in action. We can see that advanced IK is being used to move the arms around, but we notice here that the avatar's hand orientation remains the same. So there it is, an overview of some features that you might find to be very helpful when navigating and using Santos Pro or Lite. If this video was helpful and you want to find more information on how to use the different features in the software, please check out the other tutorials on the SantosHuman YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day.